Brain injuries can be caused by almost any accident. Naturally, the main area that we see brain injuries is motor vehicle accidents. Any sort of whiplash movement of your head back and forth can cause a brain injury. It takes very little movement of your brain inside of your skull to cause a concussion. Concussion is the lowest brain injury that you can suffer. So we see a lot of simple concussion type injuries all the way up to very catastrophic brain injuries, oftentimes from simple motor vehicle accident cases. Now, you can also get them in trip and fall, slip and fall cases, workplace accidents, and things of that nature. We find in brain injury cases that the injury that is suffered is more difficult on the family members than the injury victim themselves. Oftentimes, the injured party doesn't even realize that they have a brain injury. So oftentimes, we're approached by family members who are telling us our family member was in a car accident, they had a workplace accident or a slip and fall, and they're acting odd, they're having memory loss, they're asking the same questions over and over again. And so oftentimes the tip-off is a family member who is seeing the difference in their injured family member and the devastating effects that those injuries can have on the family instead of just the injured party themselves. My experience in brain injury cases started pretty early in my practice. When I first started out after law school in the personal injury practice that I had, about a year in was my first car accident case that had a brain injury. It was a low-grade concussion. The plaintiff could still function daily, but just not to the same level, having short-term memory loss and those things. And from that case, I saw how difficult it is to express those injuries to an insurance company, to a jury when they're looking at the person and they seem perfectly fine. And from that case, I started handling more and more brain injury cases, and it's one of the areas of my personal injury practice that I enjoy handling for clients the most. They're the ones that need more advocacy than anyone else in the personal injury realm.